We're sitting the fixture top on top of the fixture mount. See here, we're taking the cap and screwed it down with the, there's some wing screws that screw that top fixture down onto the bottom part of the fixture. All right. So there's some set screws that, all right, go ahead, you set it down now. So now the top two pieces were already attached. When you set it down on this fixture mount, you see there's some, and then there's set screws that actually around the top here that hold that in place. You go. Again, you see there's the photo cell on the left side. You go. And then obviously as far as the connections go, the pole is about 5 inches with a threading that mounts into that fixture mount right there at the juncture that you can see in the center of the shot there. Okay. The stand back is still device. And then obviously here we have the, and this is on one of the standard 8-foot poles. Okay. And then there's obviously pole variations available as well.